Mazda committed itself to the joy of driving. We call it Jinba Itai, a Japanese term which expresses the unity between horse and rider. For us, it's more the harmonious relationship between car and driver. We want to deliver our unique joy of driving, but now with an electric powertrain. We have decided to use a 35.5 kWh battery. With this lighter weight of the battery, we support the agility of the vehicle, and of course, with a lighter vehicle, we have less electricity consumption for driving. With this 35.5 kWh battery, we are sure many customers can enjoy their daily mobility with 200 km range on a single charge. Our electric vehicle system and its battery is fully protected by a double safety system. This consists of a very strong protective structure and an automatic high voltage shut-off mechanism. An overall electrical control system instantly cuts off the high voltage system as soon as abnormalities are detected. Physically, our battery pack is well integrated into the floor frame, consisting of high-strength material, and by this it is well protected. This additional frame gives the vehicle a superb ruggedness and supports the agile behavior of the vehicle, as well as giving additional protection to the passengers. Our Mazda MX-30 electric vehicle comes with two charging options: the standard AC power charging and the rapid DC power charging. We can charge the vehicle to 100% in around 4.5 hours using the AC standard charging. But we can charge about 80% within 40 minutes using the rapid DC power charging. Charging itself is made easy. The charging port is located at the rear end of the vehicle, and the necessary charging cables can be stored in the trunk. They are delivered with two different connectors for standard and CCS high-speed charging. On this connector we can also see the charging status, similar to the vehicle displays inside of the vehicle and on our My Mazda app on our smartphone.